My son wanted to do some shopping, so while he was off doing his own thing, I decided to come into Five Below to check out their affordable makeup and to give you some gift ideas. Now, because there is so much to see at Five Below, I'm going to be doing this video in 2 parts. So in this part, I'm going to be focusing on like the fragrances and cosmetics and a lot of their kits and sets. So let's head over there and I'll show you what they've got. Let's start with this set. This is actually by Paris Hilton and it comes with brushes, beauty blenders, a brush holder, and this set is actually going for $20. She also has a miniature fragrance collection. This one comes with 4 mini fragrances and this one is also going for $20. Now, I have mentioned this in past videos. You can always open up these sets and create sets of your own. So if you want to give multiple items that are coming from different sets, you can do that as well. Okay, so next by Smoke and Mirrors, we have this 3-piece spa set, and it comes with a foot detox, a sleeping mist, and then the sleeping mask. So I thought this would be really cool for somebody who just wants to relax. Now here is another item from Smoke and Mirrors, and it is this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Now I did think these colors would be perfect for fall and going into winter. And as you can see, this one's only $5. Now here is another eyeshadow set. This is called the Electra. So these colors are a lot more vibrant. And these are also by Smoke and Mirrors. And here's one more eyeshadow kit. This one is called New Nude, also by Smoke and Mirrors. Now the brand Smoke and Mirrors was pretty dominant here at Five Below, like this glitter 5-piece lip gloss set. Now I actually bought this last year and I really enjoyed using it. It's a 3-piece contour set. Now this is part of the Clean Beauty collection. So this set includes correction, contour, and a highlighting stick. And this lip balm set is also part of the Clean Beauty collection. Okay, so look at this. I thought this was very cool. It's actually liquid eyeshadow with glitter. This would be great to use for a night out. Now, even though I'm at Five Below, I still look at the prices. So here we have a 3-piece set of setting spray. One is matte, the other one is dewy, and the other one is radiant. So I thought for $5, that was a great deal. Let me show you this next collection. I absolutely loved the packaging. Smoke and Mirrors nailed it with this. But for $5, you get 6 different lotions. On this set, you get 6 different bath salts, and it also includes a little scoop. So let me bring this up close so that you can see what some of the fragrance scents are. Now, check out the lids on it. They're absolutely beautiful. They look like diamonds. And this is actually a set of 4 shower gels. But again, all for $5. You can mix and match these. Here we have another set. This is a facial serums. So this one comes with a gua sha tool. Next, we have this reusable glass, and it has a body lotion, a poof, and also body wash. Okay, so on this table, we have a lot to choose from. Again, the majority is all from Smoke and Mirrors. As you can see, there's some eyelashes, a set of mascaras. Here we have a set called Lift and Sculpt. Now, open that up so that you can see the colors. And this is a contouring set. Now this next set that I'm going to show you is probably one of my favorites. It's called a Plump Go, and again by Smoke and Mirrors, and you get 8 mini lip plumping lip glosses, and I absolutely love the colors on this set. And for $5, you really can't go wrong. This next eyeshadow palette is really pretty. It's called Flawless by Nature. It is talc free. So let me go ahead and open this up. Now this eyeshadow palette also comes with a blush and highlighter. So I thought this was a great set. And similar to last year, they had a 7 days of lip treats, and they have one again this year. And I actually did a video on an unboxing of one of these last year. So if you haven't seen it, I will link it down below, and I'll show you the thumbnail so you know what it looks like. One of the main differences I can see from last year's is a lipstick. It looks like they have a lip gloss this time. Let me know if you want me to do an unboxing. Okay, so here is another item that I reviewed similar to last year's, and it is a package that has a multitude of lip glosses. Here they have some with nail polishes and then the beauty blenders. Now, I thought this was really fun. These are bath bombs, but check out how pretty they are. They have glitter, they have gold. I thought they were absolutely beautiful, and there's 7 for $5. Okay, so I want to show you some more sets that I found from Smoke and Mirrors. This set actually has coconut oil lip oils and then the vitamin E infused lip glosses. So let's go ahead and move on to something else. And here's another set of lip oils. It's called Coconut Hydration. And they also have this set of 5 of lip butter balm. Let me show you one more palette. Now this one is called Flawless Eye and Face Palette. It is talc free, and let me open this up. It includes brushes. It is absolutely beautiful, and it does have a mirror on the side. Now, I do want to remind you that if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so and hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. Now let me show you some other gift sets. These are fragrances and lotions. So these look really nice. I personally have not tried them. I did do a video where I was trying some other like inspired fragrances, which I thought did really good. But anyway, let me know what your thoughts are on these sets if you guys have tried them. Now I did find another advent calendar, only this is 7 days of hair care. So let me know if you want me to do an unboxing. I would love to see what this is all about, but I'll flip it over just to kind of glance and see what's inside. I do want to show you some other items that you can include with some of the gift ideas that I've already shown you, like the makeup palettes. You can include things like these brushes, or let's say that you like the spa set, you can give away something like these gel socks, anything that has to do with like pedicures and manicures, nail polish removers, things of that sort. These would be great additions to some of the items that I've already shown you. Remember the hair care advent calendar? This would be something that you can add to it as well. So again, there is a lot that you can combine, or like I mentioned before, you can go ahead and take apart several different gift sets and put them all together with a separate gift basket and make several sets. So again, it's completely up to you. I really hope that this is giving you ideas for the upcoming holidays or just any special occasion where you want to give some gifts. Now I do want to show you some additional brands that they carry here at Five Below, like Wet n Wild, Moda, LA Colors. They also carry brands like CoverGirl. And again, a lot of the makeup is very affordable. So as you saw there, they have a Rimmel, and they have a different price range. Some are $4, $4.50, $5. And as you can see here, some of the Sally Hansen oils and nail products are going as low as $3.50. And I'll show you a few more products. They have some from LA Girls and then also LA Colors. Now this particular Five Below tends to be pretty well stocked. We have another one that's a pretty busy area, so that stuff tends to go pretty quick. So it's definitely a good time to go to Five Below and see what you can find. Now the one thing I can say is that they do carry a pretty good selection of brushes, and these are some of the brushes that I use, and I think they work very well. They also carry this brand called Moda for all these different types of brushes. I haven't used them. Let me know if you've tried these and what you think. And just so I don't make this video too long, I am going to go ahead and just quickly glance over some of the fragrances so that you can see what they have. Some of these would also make great gift ideas, or even combining them with some of the other sets that we've seen. And even though they have some of the sets, like this Paris one, they do sell them individually. So something to try. I have this one at home and I thought it smelled really pretty. But as you can see, they have quite a selection, and they even carry men's colognes. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and let you go. I will give you a little teaser of what's going to be on that next video, but it is going to be different gift idea and items within Five Below. But anyway, again, I'm going to let you keep watching. You guys, thank you so much for sticking around and watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you. So thanks again. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. All right, you guys, have a wonderful night, and I will see you in the next one.